In this video, we will be analyzing sample questions of legal aptitude. I am CS Alok and I'll be helping you in analyzing, and this will help you to do very well in legal aptitude CACET exam. So we already made 3 videos. Please make sure that you watch those videos and then you come to this video. We will know how to analyze. As enshrined in Constitution, justice secured is dash. So what is justice secured according to Indian Constitution? So when we say justice, that is, what is the justice for the people of India? So the options are social, economic, political. So obviously when you look at the preamble, here you need to look at the preamble of the Constitution. So we also in the video classes we analyze the preamble very well, correct? So in the preamble they're saying justice has to be social, economic and political. All the kinds of justice the people of India should get, and this is given in the Constitution of India. So this is how you analyze. So the answer is D. So the correct answer will be D. Next we understand the word socialist is added by, the answer is 42nd Amendment, what we call as mini constitution. See, again they are asking, it's a repeated question. So this is something which you can expect in the CACET exam also, about 42nd Amendment in 1976, when it came 1976. So all the things of 42nd Amendment becomes important for exam, because in the sample questions itself they have asked it, and ICSI, this sample questions is given in ICSI e-bulletin. So they've been continuously asking. Make sure that you know this very well. Okay. Next we come to the concept related to which article of Indian Constitution prohibits the state from discriminating against citizen on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. So this is again unfortunately completely memory based question. You have to remember the answer is Article 15 sub Article 1. So you have to remember this. There is no other go. It is memory question. So make sure all the things from Article 14 to 21A at least, you should know these articles by number. And this is given in the ICSI study material. You study that. And I also have covered in the video classes. That should be good enough. Fourth question. According to 2B of Indian Contract Act, when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent, the proposal is said to be, the answer is accepted. See, if the very word assent, correct? If you just see the word assent, you should understand. So what is the question? If you remember to be good, when the person to whom the proposal is made, so there is A and there is B. So A is making a proposal to B. Do you want to buy this t-shirt? Anything, right? Do you want to buy this t-shirt? Who is asking? A. To whom they are asking? B. So what is happening here? When A is there, when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies, that is B. Person to whom the proposal is made is to whom is proposal made in the example? B. Who is making? A. What is the proposal for buying t-shirt? Signifies as assent. So A is telling yes. Now A is telling yes. Signifies as assent. The proposal is accepted. It is not rejected. Can it be rejected? Answer can't be rejected, because he is signifying assent. Assent means yes. And is just accepting. Is it counter offer? No. If he says no, I don't want t-shirt, do you want to buy my jeans pant, something else, if he tells, that is counter offer. So none of the above can't be the answer. So what is the answer? According to section 2 subsection B of the Indian Contract Act, when we look at the concept, we say that when the person to whom the proposal is made, when he gives his acceptance or assent, it is nothing but acceptance. Very simple. Next, tort is a species of criminal wrong, breach of contract, civil wrong, moral wrong. So we have told many times tort is civil wrong. So what is a civil wrong? You should know very well. So what is a civil wrong? It is two things are there, right? Criminal wrong and civil wrong. So what happens in civil wrong? It is against individual rights, against persons' rights. Criminal wrong, we always say it is against society. So if a murder is happening, the murder is not only against one person, it is considered it is a complete wrong for the society. So we say criminal wrong is always against society. But civil wrong is against the person's individual rights. Individual rights. So that is why we say the law of tort is not a criminal wrong, but it is a civil wrong. So that is how you should analyze. Even if you don't know the answer, you know it is not criminal wrong, you know it is not breach of contract, you know it is not moral wrong, you can select the correct answer. This is another way to understand. Next is again memory based question, but this is something you have to know. It is your duty to know if you are a CS student or member. Motto of ICSI. Even in the ICSI company secretary legislation, that is CS Act 1980, in that chapter we saw what is the motto of ICSI. It is speak the truth, abide by the law. It is both. So the answer is C. Speak the truth, abide by the law. It can't be none of the above. So what is the motto of ICSI? So please remember, 100% question I'm telling you, vision, mission and motto of ICSI. 100% question. This is 100% question. Out of the three, something will be asked, and I'm very sure about this. So ensure in CS Act 1980, that is elements of company secretary legislation chapter, you look at vision, mission, motto properly. Other things also they'll ask, but this is 100% they're going to ask, I can guarantee you. So that was the video related to sample questions of legal aptitude. Please analyze. Again, I'm telling you, these questions might not repeat, but the type of questions will repeat. Type of questions will repeat, not the exact questions. So that is why when you are mentally prepared, okay, this is the kind of questions they're going to ask. Any questions they ask, you will be able to answer. So please remember that always concentrate on the legal principles in our subject. If you know the principles, let them ask any question, you will not be bothered. You will be able to answer. So concentrate on that, and all the best for exam. This is Company Secretary Alok signing off, and good luck. And anything you need, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you.